In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove a comment on TikTok. So step number one is to load up TikTok, and then you'll be on your home screen. Then you want to go to your videos so you can see the comments of some videos, and then you want to tap on profile, which is located at the bottom right hand corner, to go to your profile. Then just select a video where you want to remove some comments from. So I'll go to this video right here. Then all you need to do is tap on the little comment button, which is right there. You can see it says 11 comments on this video. That's going to load up all the comments. So I can select a comment, and to remove a comment, all you need to do is to find the comment, and you can long press on the specific comment, and there you see an option at the bottom. It says delete. If you tap on delete, that comment will be deleted. And another way to delete a comment is you can see this little button right at the top left hand corner. If you tap on that, you can find the same comment, select it, and then you can tap on this delete button, which is right over there. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm, and then you can delete the comment. So that is how you remove a comment on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.